Hello, viewers. I think you are listening. Hello. About this personal finance and source of income, after all the hustles, there's some of the income you can have. And of course, the Forex is one of the highest income, but you can do also other things like the side hustle, like you can start a money making blog, and on that blog you can start your own expert or your own like and dislikes, or you think that you can do a good about your niche, find out where the people looking for. And this is very important that if you can do a nice blogging, then you can good earn money from AdSense and also the sponsors and others. So it is one of the good source of income or revenue you can arrange it. And then you can also become a proprietor. You can online proofreading in lot of publishers, and they are waiting to checking the proofreading, how is quality of this. They are writing, and then you can check the proof, and this is a very good income, and you can earn good money if sometimes in a technical things like legal or the accountancy type of proof where more technical words is there, so you can earn good money. And also you can do a business about the local advertisement consultant. You can do, it was before like a yellow pages advertisement agent, and now you can do these things, and you can also do advertisement in Google and Google other advertisement, and you can contact with your local people, and you can earn a good money. This is the things. Then number 5, that is very important. You can do the online teaching, and online teaching is very demand in all over the world, and especially online teaching with the China. There is a huge demand, and also Russia, like those things, and you can do a hourly charge between 15 pounds to 25 pounds, and it's good money. Also, you can do a freelancing content writing, and this is very demanding. Like if you are a good economics student or good economics knowledge, so you can write down on behalf of the many organizations or companies or the people who want a content for their websites and everything. And this is very demandable, so you have to be expertise about your subject matter, and on that matter you have to be uncompromising way you can do it. Suppose if you are an economist, so you can write a nice article about the economics, or you are even a food blogger or kitchen this what is called mm, the menus and everything. So you can do it, and you can write of the freelance, and also you can do a store with the Amazon FBA or Shopify, and in that case you have to be nice website and divert the traffic or customers, so you don't need to fulfill the delivery or fulfill the transaction. This is the company they will do, or who you are with agent or you are promoting their product and sales, and you can get a huge money. This is very important. These things, then you can start a something like this about the eBay selling, and on that eBay selling you can buy from even the eBay and you can selling, or you can buy from Amazon and you can selling, or you can buy from the what is called eBay auction, and then you can buy. So it look like you are buying, selling, selling, buying, buying, selling, buying, selling, and this is a good business. You can earn good money. And also some other things you can do your small neighboring help or small part-time jobs and all these things, and you can help the populace. This is the things you can get the clients via websites and via all those things, bloggings. And the most important is a influencer. And when you are famous and you can influence the community, and on there you can sell on behalf of the your customers or clients, or if you have a hundred thousands of the subscribers or fans, and they like you, so whatever you are saying or whatever you are doing, those youngs, they trust you, believe you. When it is, they are not one, two, three, they are thousands of thousands, and some even has a good relationship, 100,000 people. So you have no time to see or advise everybody on one to one, but you can sell online or social media of the client's brands or product, so you will be like a brand's ambassador, and that is the good money. And the most important, then you can start a online course. An online course is a so profitable, or you can earn a good money. You can develop your own funnel, or you can hire some of the things they are like the Kajabi, Teachable, Thinkific, Podia. This type of third party, they with the pre print or pre-designed, they have there are many templates, and you can use it and you can make money. This is very, very important. And there also you can do work on behalf of the sales or marketing or virtual assistance of a Western countries, in hemisphere, maybe in the North America, and also Europe and also the England. You can do a good impact if you do on those countries companies on behalf of their as a virtual assistant or sales. And this is the thing, and then you can do it, make freelancing work, so you can make the website, you can make the logo, you can make the whatever these things, and you can contact to the Fiverr or Upwork, and you have a guarantee that you can guarantee that money you will get it from the your clients, because the third party is guaranteed, so it is a very good thing. And also you can do some of the things Other way, that it means that you can do the all those what I just to explain. You just to think about and cool, and then you subscribe and all those things.